In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain for Google Workspace and update your DNS settings in GoDaddy. We're going to walk through the process in a simple, clear way so you can connect your domain to Google Workspace successfully. This setup is important because it proves that you own the domain, and it also helps direct your email service properly once everything is configured. First, sign in to your Google Workspace admin console. Once you're inside, look for the domain verification section. Google will provide you with a TXT verification code. This code is unique to your domain and is used to confirm ownership, so make sure you copy it exactly as it appears. A good tip here is to avoid changing or removing any characters when copying the code, since even a small mistake can prevent verification from working. Next, open your GoDaddy domain portfolio and go into the DNS settings for the domain you want to verify. This is the area where you manage records that control how your domain connects to different online services. In the DNS section, add a new TXT record. For the name, enter the @ symbol, which represents the root of your domain. For the value, paste in the Google verification code you copied earlier, then set the TTL to 1 hour. TTL stands for time to live, and it tells the internet how long to cache that DNS record. 1 hour is a common setting and works well for this kind of setup. After you save the TXT record, return to Google Workspace and click Verify Domain. Keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. In some cases, verification works within a few minutes, but sometimes it can take longer depending on propagation. If it doesn't verify right away, give it a little time and try again, rather than re-entering the record multiple times. Once your domain has been verified, the final step is to update your domain's MX records in GoDaddy so they point to smtp google.com. MX records control where your domain's email is delivered, so this step is essential if you want to use Google Workspace for email. Be careful to enter the record exactly as required in your DNS settings, because incorrect mail records can interrupt email delivery.